Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
Okay, goodbye. Is it them?
Hi there.
Thank you. One moment.
Can I ask for a receipt also?
Of course, you're gonna get one.
Okay.
Your receipt is your pass back inside for the next 6 days, so be sure it goes on the dashboard. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
For the next 6 days, GoPro off.
GoPro, stop recording.
What happened? Our trip.
Wait, what happened over here? How come it's different?
Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout.
So this is the visitor center right here. There's a lot of people.
Knock, knock.
Who's there? You. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout.
Mine and farm. Others were drawn to the mountain itself. The tourism trade at Mount Rainier by erecting the first buildings at the mineral springs on the southwestern slope of the mountain. The business took hold. Paradise was about to undergo a dramatic transformation.
Stingrays are cartilaginous fish, so that means that they don't have bones in their bodies. Their skeletons are made up of cartilage. Do you guys know what cartilage is? Like your ear. Exactly, yeah, so it's what our ears and our noses are made out of. So that means that they're really, really squishy, which also means that we want to be really, really careful with these guys, because we just don't want to hurt them.
Oh, wow.
And then our females coming up on the side. Our tapirs are just kind of hanging out. We have two, Baku and Yuna. Yuna's our female and Baku's our male.
He's like, what's up, guys?
You guys will probably first notice their cartilaginous snout. So that helps a lot. Yep.
Bye.
He looks like you.
Alright.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Malayan tapir.
Ano, tanong puti, ang puti, tanong puti.
Oh, yes.
Oo.
How's the cat sitting? I know, that's why I said that's me on my videos.
Nigerian dwarf goat. Huh?
Are you scared?
Where? He's hiding somewhere. He's hiding. Oh, right there, right there. Right there. Wow, this is huge.
He's actually our only male here at the zoo. He weighs about 3,600 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah. And a weird thing, our smallest one weighs about 1,200 pounds.
That's small.
Josie here. Josie.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why is it going to this way?
You'll break it.
He does wax. No.
Boom! Oh my god! Oh, it's so huge. Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, yeah, come back.
The same one.
Same one that likes to hit the glass.
It's gonna bump on me. Open your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh my god.
Boom! Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
So dramatic.
Right? She's so.
Can we have one for the phone? Thank you. Okay, one.
It's smiling
two,
for
I know.
one more time.
There you go.
Oh, there's a sky lift.
Yeah, that's for the ski. If my dad was here, he would poop his pants.
Josh would be right here.
You're okay, you're okay. He looks like he's gonna hurt me. Oh my god! Hi!
Okay, wait.
I'm a bit scared. Hazel! No, it's not. You're so silly.
You're so silly. Oh my gosh. Shh. Thank you, you too.
It's closed, yeah. Gonna get married. Give me wire.
Yeah.